Now, special operators. Python provides two very special operators which are very easy to use in many of the programs also. These are called identity operator and membership operator, which are basically used to check whether a particular variable or element is member of the list or not, member of that dictionary or not. And for that purpose, we use these two operators, which are come under the category of special operators. Identity operator. It is, operator symbol is, and its name is also is. So this is basically used to check X is Y, and the answer will be either in true or false. If X is 10 and Y is 20, then we are going to check whether they are same. X is Y, so the answer will be false. Evaluates to true if the variable on either side of the operator is point to the same object, and false otherwise. If I write another operator is not, X is not Y, which is true because value of X is 10 and Y is 20. So the answer will be true. It is very simple to check. It is somewhat like equal to operator in comparison or relational operators. So this is a programming illustration to understand is and is not. We have two variables x1 and y1 having values 10, 10. And we are now comparing them over here. First, see here, x1 is not y1. So this is false because both of them are having same value 10. So the output of this statement is false. Now, there is another example, x2 program and y2 program. Both are having same value. And now we are comparing them. X2 is Y2, both are having same value, so it is true. Now, in the third case, X3 is 1, 2, 3, and Y3 is also 1, 2, 3. We are having lists as their values. And now we are comparing them. Print X3 is Y3, which is false. Either they are same in looks, both are having same value 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3. But even then, the result is false. Why? This is a question over here. The reason is both of them are lists, and lists are mutable. Mutable means editable. So we cannot say that X3 list is same as that of Y3 list, because I can add more elements to this X3 or delete an element from this Y3. So we cannot compare them, or we cannot say that both of them are equal. That's why if we are comparing list by using is or is not, then it will give such result. That means X3 is never equal to Y3. So the answer is false. So this is about is and is not operator. Next is membership operator. It is of two kinds, just like is and is not. It's very simple. The membership operator name is in and not in. This is basically used to check whether a particular element is part of a list or sequential data type like list, tuple, dictionary or not. Suppose we are having this list of numbers and I'm going to check whether this 15 belongs to this X or not. Then I can check it very easily by using in operator, and it is termed as membership operator. I'll check Y in X. So whether Y in X, whether 15 exists in X, there is no 15 in this X. So the answer will be false. And not in. Why not in X? That is true because this 15 is not part of this list. There is no 15 in X. So the answer will be true. So this is membership operator. It's very easy to use. It is just like if we want to search an element in a list of numbers to check whether it is present in the list or whether it exists in the list or not, it can be checked by using in and not in operator. However, in C and C++, you need to create a complete program to check whether a particular element exists in the list or not. Then we need to develop the entire program. But here, by using in and not in operators, you can easily check whether this particular number is part of this list or not. Suppose if I'm going to check 30 in the list, if Y is equal to 30, then the answer will be true. Y in X, then the answer will be true. And if I'm going to search Y60, then the answer will be false for this. So this is all about special operators, which are identity and membership operator in Python. So this is programming illustration from the same. It is simple. We are having two variables with value x10 and y20, and we are going to search them in this list. You can see the list is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. If x in list, print x is available in the given list. X is not here, so this if statement will not work, and the control will go to else part, where it will print x is not available in the given list. So this is the output. Why not in list? Similarly, these if else statements can be executed and we'll get the appropriate output like this. So this is very simple. In special operators, we have studied is not, and in, not in. I hope you got the concept thoroughly.